Congratulations, lowest winner of the Group B. Now, can we please have every other team off the stage except for Lotus to perform their final dance on the 2025 Wonderful. Winner is Clementine! Congratulations to Group A, y'all all did a wonderful job. Hopefully y'all come back and participate again in the first place winner, Clementine.
John Trung Hạt Gia, nhất số lên số tù work really hard. Sở tiêu chí nhất đầu chúng nó là các bạn thua trong lịch sống đó, ok?
Okay, Group A, right now, we ask that everybody get off the stage.